Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So on your journey as a creator, probably the biggest problems you're going to have at the beginning is really where to start, where to go. And so my recommendation is to copy from the best. This is probably the best strategy when you're starting out, and it's something that you can use even much later on. And what I mean from copy from the best is look to the people who are already successful in the areas that you want to be successful in, and then copy the best elements of what they do. Then you can use it for your own stuff, and then later on you could make it your own to where you become an original. And when I say copy, it's more modeling. Model the traits of success. Because if you are an exact copy, then a lot of times you're just going to be basically seen as a knockoff, and that's something that really people want to watch, because a lot of people don't like knockoffs, just bad copies of an original. But if you copy or model the ones that are successful, you take a lot of those same traits, that means you're not going to make a lot of the same mistakes that they did on their way to success. So those are my thoughts. If you want to see how to get to where you want to go, just look at the people who've already done what you want to do. And so those are my thoughts on that. If you had any of your own thoughts on this whole idea of copying or modeling, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.